Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the Slomo phone throw TikTok trend, whether you're using an Android or iPhone. So this all depends on if you have a good quality camera. I'll show you guys how to get this. Now, this is a demonstration of what it looks like. Okay, so that is basically what it looks like. You and a group of friends throwing your phones up in the air. Now, if you have an iPhone or a late version of an Android, well, you'll already have the slow-mo feature, which you could use. But if you don't have that, and you simply have a typical Android without the slow motion, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to get that effect. So now in CapCut, you need to launch a new project, and you need to look for the video which you've recorded. So you'd already be outside, throw your phone in the air, and the video would be recorded in normal speed. So you need to import that video in CapCut. So you need to import the video in CapCut, and then the next thing that you need to do, I'm going to play this so you can see the speed. So as you can see, this video is pretty fast, and what you need to do is to tap on the video clip, tap on speed. You could set it to normal speed reduction, and you could reduce it to a preferable amount. So you could reduce this until you see that it has been reduced enough. So you could go back in, reduce it to 0.2, and let's see how that looks. So if it looks too slow, you could simply reduce it or change it to another speed. Okay, so 0.2 doesn't look too great, so let's put it at 0.3, and let's see what this looks like. Now this looks like it has a bit more slow motion effect to it. So you could also use KineMaster to get this effect, and you could also use the curve tool. Now the curve tool is a bit more complex because it will alter specific portions or timestamps in the video. So you could use the curve tool to get this effect, or you could use the simple normal speed reduction tool to get this effect. And once you have gotten a satisfied look, so now this is not a general settings for all phones or all actions of this trend. So what I mean by that is you might throw your phone faster in the air than someone else. So this all varies on how fast you threw your phone in the air. So you would need to reduce this on a level which would match your phone. And then once you've done that, you simply need to export. You could add other edits to this. So you could add various edits such as glitch effects and adjust the brightness, contrast, and everything. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you to do this TikTok trend, even if your phone does not have slow motion. On phones with slow motion, you could simply record it at 120 frames per second or 240 frames per second if your phone allows that much. So I hope this video was helpful in getting you to do this TikTok trend in CapCut. And as I've said, you could also do this in KineMaster, and you'd simply need to export. And you could also set this at 60 frames per second, or you could even reduce the frame rate, which would, let me see, reduce the frame rate a bit and just export, and you should have this exported in no time. So you could also play it from here. Now as you can see, when I reduced the frame rate while exporting, it assisted in reducing the slow motion effect. So that is it. You could also share it from here. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hacker